It started as a normal argument between sisters. Loud, messy, the kind of thing that happens in every family. But then a mother turned around in the driver's seat and said 4 words that changed everything. And what happened next was all on video.
Going. I'm Sergeant Hobby. This is Officer Klein. There you go.
My name's Megan, hon. How are you? You've dealt with me multiple times.
So,
I'm good.
Let's see this footage you got.
Alright, the girl in blue is 18, almost 19.
Okay.
Hey, I got that shit.
Who is it?
Her name's Destiny Bryant. That's the end of that. And then my mom started yelling at me because she was on my sister's side for some odd reason. She's telling her to shut the f*** up. After I've done been hit in my head and everything. And she's sitting there calling for help. She told them she wanted to call the cops. They was trying not to let her do it. And then afterwards, she told them she wanted to press charges, and her parents wouldn't let her press charges. I just found out about the situation today, and I told her we would make a trip down here. I want to press charges on Destiny.
Oh, yeah, obviously. Oh, okay. Did your mom put her hands on you?
No.
Not at all?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to look this report up that Officer View took, because I called him about it, and he was getting a little bit different story, so I just got to read through what he has and get the understanding.
Yeah.
So, from what I'm getting from you and understanding now, so this incident happened, and it seems like your mom was trying to cover stuff up. Is that what I'm understanding?
It wasn't my mom, it was my sister.
Your sister? Okay.
And everybody else.
Okay.
But her mom stuck up for her sister.
Okay.
And I don't think that's right.
Did your sister put her hands on you too?
My sister's just 17.
Yeah, but still, did she put her hands on you? Do we know if John,
Yeah,
he did the juvenile side for that?
So,
yes.
Okay.
What I guess he was advised was that they were both fighting each other and siblings, and then the parents were like,
So just normal sibling stuff,
it's
and then
okay,
mom got,
and then so nothing got sent through to juvenile.
She told my sister to put me in the mouth, but then the almost 19-year-old wanted to, and then
Do you know where she lives at?
she lives somewhere in Benton.
I think she's in the report because he had to
Get her
She
information.
had
get her
yeah,
information.
but it was invalid.
So
Oh, okay, that's the one.
yeah, so
Yeah.
the warrant was invalid, and they
All
were
right.
When police first arrived, the parents said no charges. Lindsay stayed silent, not out of fear, but to protect her mom who'd just gotten out of rehab and was on probation. It took a stranger finding her walking alone down the road to change everything.
So we'll get one from her real quick,
I
and then
would
we're going to
go
get one from
ahead.
you as well.
That's fine.
I would go ahead and notify
Go get my car from me.
Jess
Shut the
Yeah.
door.
because of the situation has now changed, and you
Yes.
have
Yeah.
an adult with a juvenile.
You got your driver's license on you?
Yeah, actually, it's in my pocket. So I just want to make it known that her mom told them to do it. She's scared to admit to it because her mom's on probation and she doesn't want to lose her mom because her mom just spent a
her
year in
mom
rehab.
told her sister and this chick to whoop
Her
up
mom
on her?
told them, she turned around and said, y'all take care of it, because she was an asshole. She's 13, they got attitudes. She turned around and told the 2 little girls to take care of it. Her little sister pulled her out the car and let the other little girl
Would
pass.
you be willing to put that on statement for me?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, Megan, were you able to figure out what it was all over? Or because Lindsay was acting, being...
Shut the door!
Shut the door quick. Thank you.
So I guess Lindsay and Jade were fighting, like
Lindsay and
actually
Jade
fighting.
being fighting, sister stuff.
And she was being loud and hollering.
She's
Yeah,
born
right,
99.
report. Lindsay was being
she's
loud
adult.
and hollering, and Becky turned around and told Jade, take care of it, pop her in the mouth.
So the mom...
The mom turned around.
her and her sister were fighting. Like sisters do. Mom told them to handle it and turn around.
The mom turned around. They were sitting in her mom's car. She's got a rental car right now. She's sitting in her mom's car. Her mom's in the driver's seat. She turned around, looks at Jade and Jade's little friend, and said, handle the situation. Jade, pop her in the mouth. The little girl, Destiny, said, ooh, I want to do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. Jade got out the car, pulled Lindsay out the car, and then that's the video I showed you.
Okay.
And the mom was there the entire time, watched the entire thing.
Yeah, after that, and then Jade, you can see Jade trying to pull her out the car, and once Lindsay's out the car, the Destiny girl's grabbing her, looked like she grabbed her by the hair, and just goes to waylay and close fists all over her head. No, she was beating on her, had a hold of her hair and stuff in that video.
In the video, you can see
bad.
at least 4 hits.
At least 4 hits for sure in the video. I mean, it's bad. Hey, do y'all know Brooke, who a Brooke is?
Brooke?
Yeah. Ask her if she has a nickname, someone with a nickname that goes by Brooke. No, she's saying no. Okay. So we watched the video already, and her and her sister were fighting, John, and then that 18-year-old Destiny, her sister pulled her out of the car, and then the 18-year-old Destiny grabbed her by the hair and started punching her close fist all over the face and head. Yeah.
I'm trying to find out Rosalita's ways.
Yeah.
See if we'll make her
Do you have Jaden there as a suspect, John? She's already in there as a suspect? Destiny and Jade? Okay, so just Jade and Lindsay were put in as suspects because they're the ones that were fighting, so. And both put in as victims is what he was saying. I got Jess on the other phone, so I got a phone on each ear right now. Hey, Miss Rebecca. Hi, you want to come talk to me for a few minutes, please, ma'am? If you don't mind. The incident yesterday at y'all's house, okay? Can you run me through that? What took place?
Lindsay had started just like with a complete attitude, being completely rude and disrespectful to everybody, horning, screaming, cussing. Her and Jade got into it physically a couple times.
And when you're talking about, who are you talking about?
Lindsay and Jade.
Okay.
And then it just kept escalating, and the next thing I know, Jade's friend had hit Lindsay in the head a couple times. And then they got pulled apart or whatever, and Lindsay kept calling and screaming at everybody, and she called the police.
You said Lindsay and Jade, your daughter's sisters, obviously.
Yeah.
They fight like most. I'm an only child, but from what I hear of my friends, they fight with siblings.
Yes.
Okay. And where did all this take place?
In my yard.
In your yard? Y'all were in the car, from what I understand?
Yeah, we were in the car.
Okay. You did see Destiny hit Lindsay, correct?
I looked over and she was taking the last swing, but yeah.
Okay. And you understand how old Destiny is, correct? And how old your daughter is, okay? And at any point did you try to intervene, knowing that's your child and that's a legal adult?
I didn't get out of the car when I was going apart, but I didn't know where I would stop fighting.
Okay. Alright. What I'm understanding, Lindsay and Jade had been arguing and fighting. And Jade and Destiny, mainly Jade, tried to pull her out of the car. And then Destiny commits to whooping on her by grabbing her by the hair and hitting her with a closed fist.
I don't know, I didn't see it. They were behind me.
Okay.
I do know that Lindsay and Jade were fighting, they were trying to pull out of the car. How the incident between Lindsay and Destiny started, honestly, I don't know.
Okay. Did you at any point tell either Destiny or Jade to pop Lindsay in the mouth and shut her up?
Honestly, I did tell her sister to bust her in the mouth.
Okay. Alright. Now, I'm going to let you know right now, okay, with what's going on, what's been brought to me. I have video footage, evidence of the incident, okay? Since Lindsay's 13, we're going to be doing a CAC interview, okay? Since she's been involved in a disturbance, a physical disturbance, and was assaulted and battered, okay? So, my supervisor, you know who I'm talking about, right? She's going to be contacting you tomorrow. She's going to call them first thing about an interview, and you are to bring Lindsay to this interview, okay? If you do not comply, DHS will get involved, and at that point, it's out of our hands, okay? So, I need you to understand that, okay? I've got your phone number. I'm going to pass it along to my supervisor. So when you hear from her, whatever time she tells you, day and time, you need to take her up there, okay?
When Sergeant Hobby asked the mother directly, "Did you tell them to bust her in the mouth?" she said yes, on camera, after Miranda. She knew Destiny's age. She watched it happen. She never got out of the car.
13-year-old's been assaulted by a legal adult.
Right.
Battered, okay? And we have seen the footage.
Right.
It does not look pretty, okay?
Right.
Alright. Would you be willing to fill out another statement about what we just discussed and make it a more accurate statement, please? Thank you, Miss Rebecca. I appreciate that. Sergeant Hobby, Alexander Police Department, okay? I'm gonna serve you your warrant. I'm gonna leave a citation in your box, all right? More just for battery third, involving obviously an incident that happened. If you want to talk to me about it, we can. I just have to read you your rights and all that. It's totally up to you if you want to talk to me. You do? Okay. All right, let's go have a seat over here, Miss Destiny. Just pull the chair and sit right here. I'm gonna sit right here, okay? Oh, goodness. So, real quick, before I talk to you, you go any further, okay? I'm gonna read you your rights, all right? That way you don't say anything to incriminate yourself, all right? So, real quick, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer or want to be appointed to represent you for any questioning if you wish. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights as I explain them to you? Having these rights in mind, are you willing to answer any questions now without an attorney present? Do you have any idea as to why you might have had a warrant?
Yeah, but like I know why, but like no one ever told me. I mean, she even told me like she didn't want to press charges, but her sister made her go up there and press charges on me and everything.
So here's the thing, okay? When it comes to certain charges, just because somebody doesn't want to press charges, the state can pick charges up based off of what happened. Okay? So you want to run me through the events of what happened that day?
Yeah.
And make sure you have to speak a little louder, okay? Because the jail, they'll be banging doors and everything else. So.
It was me, CJ, Lindsay, and her mom, and a few other people that came over.
Mm-hmm.
And Lindsay was sitting in the car and we was all outside. And Lindsay had an attitude, and I was already in a bad mood.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not gonna lie, I done like I had popped some Exos and like, you know, I shouldn't have.
You've popped some what?
Exos.
What's that?
Pills.
Oh, okay. So you've taken prescription medication that's not yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
But she wouldn't like. She just like kept like yelling and shit. And her mom was like, "Will somebody please like slap the fuck out of her or something?" And then I was like, "Let me do it." And I shouldn't have, but I fucked up.
So Miss Rebecca, their mom, told you to shut.
She didn't say like who, but she
She just said it out loud to
somebody.
shut somebody up, and you just took it upon yourself.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's on. There's a whole video.
Okay. So you took it upon yourself to shut her up, basically, because of how she was acting. Okay, so you know how old are you right now?
I'm 19.
19. But this happened right before your birthday, so you were 18 at the time. Okay, so you understand that she's a juvenile and you're a legal adult. So you know how that looks, right? So whenever Miss Rebecca told somebody to shut her up, what did you do then?
I was like, let me do it. And then Jade had pulled her out the car and like just threw her like for me to have her.
Okay,
And I hit her. I think I hit her maybe 4 times, and I stopped and I was like, fuck, you know.
Okay. Anything else you want to add to it? I mean, I appreciate cooperation and all that. Okay, I do. But then you know, you gotta understand how bad that looks, though. Okay, you're an 18 legal adult, and you put your hands on a juvenile. Okay, so.
I'm trying to get clean, but it's hard.
Well, I can tell you this much: it doesn't help who you hang around. If you put yourself in the position to be around what you're using, it's gonna make it harder to get clean. Okay.
No, I don't have like any of my family at all. And I'm like, I literally.
So I just wanna clarify. When you say you hit her, how did you hit her? Like open
I hit
hand,
her-
closed
it was
fist. Like what all
closed-
you
It was
do?
closed, but like she was facing that way, and I hit her like in the side of the head,
Like side of the head,
like the
face.
side of the head.
Okay. All right. Okie dokie. Well, real quick, while we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and serve you your warrant. Okay. So it's just for 1 count battery, 3rd class A misdemeanor. Okay. I appreciate your cooperation, Miss Destiny. We'll go right back through that door.
2 months later, Destiny confessed, closed fist, 4 hits. The mother was charged with endangering the welfare of a minor. She gave the order, watched it happen, and tried to bury it. Lindsay didn't swing back. She just called for help because she knew someone would answer.